A Journey on Planet Earth from Krishna to Krishnansh by Asho History. In pre-Mahabharat period, even before Krishna was born, this planet Earth was divided into many small and large states. Some states were very small and few were larger ones. In total, there were almost 1,10,000 states on this planet Earth. Before Krishna was born, Maharaja Agrasen ji took up the responsibility of taking care and nurturing the global population. He also initiated democracy system through his program Ek Sikka Ek Eat. This is also told by Asho History. And as soon as Krishna took birth, his father Sri Vasudev ji sent him to Baba Nand away from his home so that Krishna could build his own army. Krishna wanted to implement Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that this whole planet Earth lives like one single family. That is why Krishna asked Duryodhan that he may give mere 5 villages to 5 Pandavas, but Duryodhan denied. Similarly, Jarasandha also announced that he would not let Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam to be implemented on this planet Earth. So Krishna built his estate Dwarka into the sea outside this planet Earth. So Krishna became Dwarkadhish, the king of Dwarka, and then he asked Yudhishthir to perform Ashwamedh Yagya to implement Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So in this way, Dwarkadhish appointed his representative Parikshit as king of planet Earth and divided this earth in 56 parts so that work of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam could be started. As for himself, Krishna got established in Puri, Odisha as Jagannath ji. Then in 1995, Krishnansh came on planet Earth. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh and Purna Avatar of Vishnu, Shri Krishna himself was Ansh of Krishnansh, and this was announced by Ganesh ji when his idol drank milk all across the globe in 1996. In 2004, Naveen Samay Chakra was formed, which was named as Dakshaniya Samvat. Naveen Samay Chakra was initiated on 30th March 2006 and it was dedicated for public use on 15th July 2006 from Shri Krishna Gaushala, Hisar, Haryana. Dakshaniya Samvat brought 2 systems with it, Pranwatch and Gyanwatch. And on 11th November 2011 at 11 pm, Jagannath, who was still bound to planet Earth, became Krishnendra, the king of galaxy, and this was announced by Guru Brihaspati ji, who performed coronation Raj Tilak of Krishnendra. On Makar Sankranti 2014, Krishnansh Bhagwan became the energy of air so that human beings could be saved from all airborne diseases like corona, pollution, which were bound to happen in future. And after 10 days of Makar Sankranti 2014, Krishnansh Bhagwan, the Mahavishnu, left this planet Earth for his further journey. That was narrated by Asho History. Pranam.